It's your main man DJ Ron Mechanic Hill, back with another video. So today it's wiper blade changing time. Yeah, it's time to get these bad boys off of here. They ran their course, so as you can see, I put a little work on the bars already, the arms. See, I got those wrapped in carbon fiber, as you can see that. I just love that. I just had to be a little different on it. Give it another look. As you can see. So I'm changing out these blades right here. They are done. Time for them to go. Yep, time for them to go. And here go the new ones that I'm going with. Yep, y'all see that. Yeah. You know me. I had to do it. I had to go with the carbon fiber ones. That's right. Hey, it's only fair enough just to do that. I mean, look. Got the carbon fiber arms. Hey, why not go with the carbon fiber blades? That's right. It is going down. Take a good closer look at it. Yeah, them bad boys look nice. Yes, indeed. Looks nice. Yep. So that's the game plan, that y'all. Take these old things off here. Man, it's been a while since I did this. Yep, it's been a while. So then with these pieces right here, so I actually have to find, it's one of the two. I think it's this one right here, look like. I might be right. Looks like it. So they got two different clips. Got pretty much end pieces. Let's see, this one here is for, okay, so this one is for my car right here. That's this piece. Cause see, mine have that what you call that, that U-hook, whatever that they call it. Let me see, there it is. Oh, okay, they call it the J-hook. That's what I got right there. So that's what I'm gonna be using for to change those out. And I already know this here is gonna be a doozy. Not really, but yep. So I'm about to put this camera down, y'all, and go ahead and start taking these bad boys off. Cause I know it's gonna be a little time getting it. Cause man, these things been on here so long, man. They are just hinged on now. I'm gonna have to ease it off of there. I don't want to break nothing. But yep, about to get it right. About to have them blades looking good. So let me go ahead and get the cracking with this, y'all. Now I'll be back. All right, y'all. I'm back. As you can see, I finally got them off. So here's what we look like. And you can see here go these, the old ones right here. I mean, you can even do the comparison and see the difference. So here got my new ones. I got the connect on both. I'm pretty much ready to go with it. Let's start clamping them on now. Then plus I see that they supplied like a little wiper rejuvenator, whatever, or something here. Saying like wipers starting to streak, extend their life by wiping down with your wiper rejuvenator. So, okay, that's pretty cool there. A couple of packs. And by the way, here is the name of the company right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's the name of the company right there that made these wiper blades. So yeah, about to go ahead and slide these bad boys on now. Of course, I'm gonna take this little protective piece off on the rubber part. Sure, we'll be good to go then. That's right. About to go ahead and mount it up. We'll go ahead and put these on right quick, y'all. And I'll be right back. All right, everybody. The blades are on. And there we go. Finished product. Yes. What y'all think about that? Oh, I gotta clean my glass right there. I didn't even see that. Let me clean that right quick. Wipe that down. I gotta wash the car anyway. But gotta pretty much wait because it's been raining like the last few days. So it don't make no sense to try and give it no full detailed washing or anything. So just enough to clean this up. There we go. Got a little smudge. I'll get it later. Yep, there we go, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Looks pretty good. Now I can officially say, hey, look, I am carbon fiber down. Yes. That looks a whole lot better than the old ones. Big time. Look at the comparison. From this to that. Yep. We are in the house, y'all. And the size for this car here was kind of weird, pretty much. On the driver's side, this is a 24-inch, and on the passenger side is a 15. So 24, 15 for this one. For this Nissan right here. Yep, that is done now, y'all. So hey, you know, like I say, hey, on to the next one. Next project, stepping up. So look, this is DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, look, just wanted to show y'all my new blades I put on. I like it. I'm trying to get a front of fresh look. And also, look, make sure y'all hit that notification bell so when I drop my videos, y'all be notified when they drop. And also, I'd like to say I appreciate all my new friends out there, all my new subs and my old subs. Thank y'all very much for supporting me. Hey, look, let's keep it rolling, y'all. Let's keep it rolling. Yes, I'm liking that there. Yep. So that is it, y'all. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next project coming up. Hey, this DJ Ron the Mechanic, you know it, Mr. Do-It-Yourself himself. That's right. Hey, I am out. Check you later.